Monday, July 15, 2024. Saint Bonaventure. Focus. I have not come to bring peace, but a sword. Have we reduced Christianity to a tame armchair religion? We wish to follow it comfortably whilst pursuing our worldly quest. Indeed, we are even encouraged to do so. Someday, for me, family first. Others, like Jesus, would be disciples. Feel, feel they must look after their aged parents. Family obligations may seem genuine grounds to go about life as usual and keep Christ to the minimum. However, the fact is that many of us leave elderly parents in homes for the aged and head for greener pastures. Leaving father and mother for Christ is not a duty. It is the cry of the heart. Love for God is much deeper than love for parents or family. The Lord calls us righteous, living above all else. He reminds us that to one who orders his way rightly, I will show the salvation of God. Jesus demands total dedication. He wants to be second to none. As he tells us plainly, following him may come even at the price of a falling out within the family. With those who compromises their family for the sake of worldly gain, we may also be shunned in social circles, or worse still, suffer persecution for the faith. Fruit. Let us allow our love for Jesus to grow so deep that nothing else matters.